Welcome to a quick demonstration of Plus Glass code generation software for glass retailers, traders and glass processors. The input required are the glass details and the processes, fittings and the rates for all of them. Plus Glass code generates more than 30 reports. Major reports are quotation, job sheet, delivery challan and tax invoice. VAT, service tax, excise duty are calculated automatically. Other important features are labeling and link to tally. The major benefits of Plus Glass code are get accurate quote, rate quote, detail quote without any extra efforts. Charge size calculation made easy. User can set project specific rates, multiple units like or inches and easily switching between them. Automatic VAT, excise duty calculations, tracking of outstanding easily, tutorials in English and Hindi. We will now quickly see how an accurate code can be made in Plus Glass code. This is the quotation prepared manually. We have 12 mm clear tapan glass with holes and cutouts, 8 mm clear glass with processes and couple of fitting items. The total value is 1,17,425 rupees. We will now make this code in Plus Glass code. This is the dashboard of Plus Glass code from where we can access all its functions easily. Make a new project for the customer ABC Glass House with default template. This is the project page which has the details of customer name, customer band, the address, the project code and the working units. In the glass page, select category of glass of tapan glass. Select material of 12 mm clear acai. Enter length, width and quantity. User can copy paste the data from spreadsheet. For that, simply create a new row by pressing tab to the last column of a row. Copy from spreadsheet. Paste it into the glass page. Similarly, add 8 mm clear glass with different 3 sizes. Select category of clear glass, 8 mm clear acai. Copy data from spreadsheet. To add processes like holes, cutouts on glass item, select the glasses, click the append process. To add holes, click on holes button. Add 2 number of holes. Press OK. The 2 number of holes are added on selected glasses. Similarly for cutouts, click on cutouts. The 2 number of cutouts. On G4 glass we have to add 1 cutout more. Select the quantity of 1. On G7 glass we have to add 2 holes. Now we have to add the etching process on G8, that is clear glass. Select category of etching. Select process name as acid etch. Quantity is based on charged area. The etching process is added. Now we have to add computer etch polish on G9 and G10 glass items. Select CEP. The CEP is added on 2 glass items and add the back paint on G10 glass. To add fitting items, move on to the fitting page. Select category of patch fitting. Select material, 3 quantities. Select the tone handles of 3 units. In rates page, the standard rates have been copied automatically. We can change the rates for material and processes for this project. Let us change the rate for 8 mm clear SIE from 75 to 80 rupees per square feet. Update rates and cost. In the cost page, the upper window shows an item of glass with the total cost, and bottom part shows the detail of the glass and processes and their cost. Additional costs like taxes, VAT and handling charge etc. are in the additional cost page, calculated automatically based on formula. Now we have to add the glass handling. ₹2,000. Add to cost and show in report. Save the project. We can see the total cost details in the table here along with the area of glass and number of different glass in the projects. We print the quote with all the details. This is the quotation. Here you will get the company details, customer details, an item of glass with processes with their cost, the additional cost, and the total amount debited to buyer is 1,17,425. We have just seen how easy and quick it is to generate a code in Plus Glass Code. We just needed to enter the glass sizes and specify the process, and an accurate code was made in a short time. We can generate other documents like job sheet, the bill of material, the delivery challenge, and the invoice. This also has a built-in receivable module to take care of your outstanding. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. Thank you for watching this demonstration and your time. For more information and tutorials, please visit our website www.nirvanatech.com.